What a relaxing day. Oh no, what does this kid want? SuperBear, just ignore him. He's not there if you don't look at him. Can I help you or something?
No, I don't need any help.
Are you gonna keep sighing until someone asks you what's wrong?
Yep.
Joseph, what is wrong? Okay, I really want to know. Tell me, Joseph. Tell me what is wrong.
I'm just really bored. I have nothing to do and it's just like, you know?
You're telling me you're sighing up a storm because you're bored. Get off your lazy ass and film a video or something.
I mean, I guess.
Do one all about fashion. You know, I love fashion personally. You see, I got this Versace tie right here. It's great.
You know, that's actually a good idea. I'm gonna get right on it. Thanks, SuperBear!
This guy. Anyways, what's on TV?
Hey guys, Jan here, and today we're going to be designing the most iconic outfit you have ever seen before. Now you're thinking to yourself, Joseph, how can you design the most iconic outfit? Well, let's just take a look and see. Today I'm going to walk you through the outfit I have planned, and it will literally be the most iconic outfit on this planet. Let's get into it. Transitions, am I right? Here we go, guys. Joseph's iconic outfit. See, today we're going to be doing it. Now, let's dissect the pieces we're going to need. A Fruit Loops bird costume. Now we're going to use select pieces from here. So we won't be needing the toucan bird head, okay? You're not going to need him. But we are going to need the pants and this part, the cowl. Yeah, I'm going to call it a cowl. Yeah, it makes it sound cooler. Next, we're going to need Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Out of the Shadows 3D glasses. Now this really completes the outfit for me. Honestly, I just think these are fantastic, and yeah, they're just gonna add a lot to the outfit when we use them. So there you go. That wasn't as good as a transition I thought. I'm just gonna use my hand. Then we're gonna need some workout gloves. These ones are Nike, but you can get your own. Also, there's women variants because we have to be inclusive. So yeah, if you want the women variant. Honestly, even if you want to mix and match, that makes it super iconic. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to mix and match them.
And now it's time for the show. Get ready, everybody.
Now presenting Joseph Fun!
Woo! Thank you! Thank you for showing up, everybody! Woo! Yeah! Happy to be here. It's honestly a privilege. Today, Jan's iconic outfit. We're going to be revealing the outfit and trying it on for the first time in front of all of you tonight. It's honestly a blessing. Hashtag blessed, am I right, guys? So yeah, we're just gonna try on the outfit. Thank you for showing up, and I'm so glad this is being broadcasted. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the pants of the outfit. Now here, Fruit Loop bird pants, okay? Classic orange, you know what it is. Instantly recognizable and iconic. There we go. And I'll tell you why we ditched the feet on the pants later. Okay, now for the cowl. We're calling it a cowl because it's cool. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put this on. Hopefully this doesn't mess up the hair too much. Now, the glasses. I like to call them goggles, I guess. Goggles, glasses, it doesn't matter. See, these wouldn't work with the Fruit Loops bird head. I mean, they would, but the Fruit Loops bird head would take away from the beauty of this. Any second now, these are just a bit of a more tight fit. And then these ones. Just, you know, put them on. There we go! Now, we're pretty iconic, but not fully iconic because we need our kicks. You don't just put on any shoes, you can just wear your shoes. Doesn't really matter what type of shoes. Yeah, you can even wear sandals if you want to spice it up a bit. I know you guys can't see the shoes I'm wearing, but I'm probably taller and out of frame now. Yeah, guys. This is the outfit. I know you guys love it.
Yeah, great outfit, Joseph.
But we can do better. And we're back, okay? Thank you for being patient, everyone. Now again, like I said before, this outfit's great and all, but it could be better. And that's what I intend to do here today. I've gotten these wonderful lights, which have different color settings. Not color settings, but different light settings. Now today we're not gonna be wanting to give anyone a seizure, so we're just gonna do pure light mode. I just think it's beautiful and radiates energy and positivity. You know, some people say it's a fire hazard, but I choose not to listen to them. And we also got this wonderful scarf. Now tell me this scarf isn't fantastic. Look at this scarf. It's just purely awesome. Now we're gonna put it around me and then the outfit's gonna be complete. There we go, everyone. The iconic outfit is complete. I just want to thank you all for showing up tonight. This means a lot to me, and man, I'm just so glad people around the world are going to be able to feast their eyes on this beautiful outfit, and this will bring joy to so many families around the world. Hopefully this inspires you to do something similar, and I'm just really proud, guys. But screw that, we gotta do promotional photos, so okay. Oh, give it a strong one, yeah. Okay. You know, a little boxer stance. Take all the photos you want, guys. Okay. Some stretches maybe. Disco. Okay. No, just a bunch. A bird stance. You know, just a bunch of cool promo photos. Like, what's that? I got an interview to get to. I'm late. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I actually have an interview to get to. Free gift baskets at the front.
Okay, Josephine will now take questions. We'll be picking at random, so be prepared. You with the funny face.
First off, it's an honor that you took the time to be here with us today, and I just thank you for that.
Thank you for wanting to interview me. I also really appreciate this half-drinking Fresca or something. It was a really thoughtful gift. Yeah, it's great.
So my question is, so I'm a little nervous, what inspired you to make the iconic outfit?
Well, you see, one day I was just bored sitting with my stuffed teddy bear. His name's SuperBear. And, you know, he suggested to me, why don't you do something with fashion? Now, he's really into fashion. He has the Versace, Gucci, all that stuff. And I'm like, you know what, SuperBear? That's a great idea. And here we are today.
That's a great answer. I love it. Shows a lot of character from you. Good job. Thank you. Here's your mic back.
Okay, gentleman over there, you're next.
Now, Joseph, what do you have to say to all the haters who think your outfit is an abomination, eyesore, carnival, a throw-up?
I personally think they can all kindly go but yeah, that's just my opinion.
Up next is, Box Boy over there.
Joseph, where can I buy one of these outfits?
Well, sadly you can't because this is a one-of-a-kind piece, but you can feel free to replicate it, and one day this will probably be at a museum on display or something like that, just because it's going to be so iconic.
Aw, shucks, I wanted to buy one for my mom.
Joseph, how do you think that presentation went?
I think it was really good. You know, I felt everyone's enthusiasm in the room, and it just made me feel super great. It's a great stage too, and I loved it.
Man, I hate this job. I'm asking a question. Joseph, why should people subscribe to your channel?
I think they should subscribe because I have unique upcoming content and videos releasing weekly. You know, I really love building up this fan base with you guys, and it's always been my dream. And also, it just means a lot to me when you support these videos, and if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. So yeah, maybe if you guys really want to and you like me, you can consider subscribing.
This interview sucks. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm talking into a flashlight. Why did I think that was a good idea?